In this question, we see a table with data, and we have to pick which graph represents this data. How can we do that? We just look at the data and check the relative height of the different options. For instance, the second time frame has about double of the people in the first time frame. So, for instance, this one is acceptable because this one is about double the first column. This one is acceptable. This one is acceptable. This one might seem acceptable, so we might keep this one among the possible answers, and this one might be acceptable. Let's go on. We see that the next one is slightly less than the second one. It is way more than the first one. First one is 23. Third one is 35. Second one was 31. Here, the difference is only 6. So this one is only 6 difference, 6 less than the second one, but it is 18 more than no, it's not 18 more. The third one is 13 more with respect to the first one. This one might be acceptable. This one is not. This is false because here the third column is more than the second column. So the B is clearly wrong. Let's go on. C is wrong for the same reason as the D. D looks acceptable. Oh no, D is not acceptable because the third column must be less than the second column. So D is not acceptable. Let's go on. This one might look acceptable, but the difference are too similar because this one should be a 40, what was it again? A 35, here 41, and here 23. Here the difference are too similar, so this cannot be the right option. Right option is A.